How are you? Welcome to our space. My name is Liz. I am part of the wonderful team here at Ikigai Lavington. Today we're going to show you the space, so thanks for coming. Come with me. So I'd like to show you two amenities that are free to our members, accessible by all our members. You don't have to pay for this. You only just have to come in and have your time. We have a mother's room and a prayer room. And I want to mention that we have this in all our Ikigais. This is our grand finale. I'm about to let you into your new home. Come, drum roll, drum roll. Okay, so welcome to your possible new home. This is a private office for a team of 15. And we have different sizes of offices. So this is just one of the ones we have. We have smaller offices, and this is typically how an office looks like. So this is our Roasted Truth Cafe, which is there in all our locations. We have our communal kitchen where you can get your house coffee, tea, and drinking water. So thank you so much for joining me on this tour. I'm really hoping that we're going to have you here soon. And please call us anytime, pop in anytime. We'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.